So I often get the question of what's a mantra and why would I need one? So a mantra is actually a mind vehicle. It comes from the Sanskrit word, man means mind, tra means vehicle. Now a mantra is not like, I'm a strong, angry woman, or like, I want $1 million. These are not mantras, these are slogans, right? Mantra is simply a mind vehicle, custom designed to take you from active layers of left brain thinking down into more subtle layers of right brain being. Think about it almost like an anchor. And usually they're primordial, meaningless sounds. And the value of the mantra actually comes from the sound quality, not the meaning of the word itself. So when you come to Ziva, I would give you a personalized mantra and I would teach you how to use it on your own so that you become a self-sufficient meditator. The thing is, the old paradigm that we have about meditation is, well, if I can stop my mind from thinking, then I'll experience bliss. But it's actually the other way around. What we do is that we utilize these mantras to help us access our bliss and fulfillment inside of us, which is the only place that bliss resides, right? Every spiritual text has been saying this since the beginning of time. What you seek is in you. But that's great to get that as an intellectual concept. It is much, much more powerful to be able to experience that viscerally and tangibly every day, twice a day. And that's really the mantra's job, right? Is to act as a vehicle, an anchor to help you de-excite your nervous system, access your bliss where it resides, and then the mind cannot conceive of a thought that would bring it greater fulfillment than it's already experiencing, and then the mind falls silent. So it's not, if I can stop my mind from thinking, then I'll experience bliss. It's actually when I utilize the mantra to experience bliss, then the mind falls silent. So it's a bit of a reversal of what we've always heard about meditation. So if you're interested in receiving your own mantra and learning how to use it on your own, I'd love to have you at an Intro to Meditation talk at Ziva. Now I'm curious, what resonated for you from this video? Leave a comment below and tell me your biggest takeaway. And while you're at it, head over to zivameditation.com to become a Ziva Insider. You'll get instant access to my stress-less guided meditation, and this is where I share exclusive tips and resources for meditation and performance, plus some personal stories I only share via email. You deserve the most amazing version of you. This is your chance to claim it.